My name's Leslie Masterman. I'm Director of Development and Communications at St. Joseph Parish in Cockeysville, Maryland. St. Joseph Parish is one of the oldest parishes in Baltimore. We knew we had to renovate our church. It hadn't been touched since 1967, and it desperately needed all new HVAC. It had systems that were obsolete, plus it had a very dated exterior. So we had to completely gut it and renovate it. Msgr Richard Hilgartner and I had never done a capital campaign before. So we had to figure out how to do it ourselves. Thank goodness for MinistryPlatform, because we could develop the relationships with people, but we weren't able to manage the donations, the pledge management, and MinistryPlatform made it really easy for us. The batch manager tool would automatically know to connect a donation towards a person's pledge. All we really needed to do was pull a report that looked at where people were and their pledges. So much easier than I thought it would be. It was good to let MinistryPlatform do the work for us. MinistryPlatform helped us with basically communicating the story. We would send out emails constantly talking about progress and getting people excited about like archival type things we found in the walls of the church. We raised $7 million on time, and I can't even tell you how beautiful the church is right now. The parish was deeply excited about it, and the day that we reopened the church was quite beautiful. Archbishop was there, all these bishops were there, they blessed the walls, the incense. It was a lot of tears. Father Rick lost it in the end. If I never do anything great again, I feel like we did a really great job, and we're really appreciative of having MinistryPlatform be part of that journey.